I know many of you wonder how my photo shoots look like behind the scene and the production of it. That's why I decided to make this little video and tell you about it. First of all, I have two types of photo shoots. The first one is very organized and planned. I have the whole team working for me, starting from makeup artists, stylists, set designers, assistants, and there is way more effort put into it and way more planning. The second one is pretty simple and every and each of you can do it. Today I want to focus on the second one and tell you a bit more about it and show you some behind the scene videos and maybe give you some tips. All you need is your camera. In my case I use Canon 5D Mark III, my baby, and a bit of creativity and we're done. If you have any ideas, any desires of what you would like to shoot, just find a model, search for a place, go there and shoot. If you just start in photography and you have no idea how to search for models, I can give you a tip. There are a lot of Facebook groups where you can post your casting, you could post your advert, and the girls who would be interested will directly message you. It's pretty simple, pretty easy and very fast to communicate this way and find good models. I used to use it a lot. Now not so often, but still sometimes I get my models from there. This is definitely a good way to meet more creative people and probably build your future team as well. Come up with the idea, make a mood board, post it on Facebook groups, set a date and you sort it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and you're gonna come back to my new series of videos where I'm gonna show you how to get your signature, how to get into practice, how to do a bit of editing and get your first publications. See you soon. Bye bye.